In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find the transaction history of any Bitcoin address you found online. So you can see this is a sample, and you can see this is the last 200 transactions of this crypto wallet. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. It's very much simple and easy. So if you are new here, try to give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming updates. So now let's get into the main tutorial of this video. So to check the transaction history of every Bitcoin wallet, all you need to do is just hop on your browser like this. There are a lot of websites that can help you do this, but then in this tutorial, I'm going to recommend Blockonomics. You get it? So just search something like this, and then you hop on the first website on Chrome. This is the first website, .co, that's the extension. So you should hop on a site like this. You get it? This is how the site looks like, and this is a Bitcoin address lookup. So on here, let's try to get a Bitcoin address sample. So let's search something like this on here, and then let's copy it. So I move my cursor on it like this to copy, and then let me copy it. And now let's come on here and then let's paste it here. Just like you can see, you can search Bitcoin address, the transaction IDs, and the rest. So let's say someone have sent you a BTC, but then you are not seeing it reflecting in your account yet. You can use this site to also check your wallet address to see whether it's processing or not. So now let's do this. So here it's going to display completed transactions and ones that are pending as well. So you can see, so the first is the balance, which is almost $5 million. Yes, that's almost 53 BTC, and you can see these are the last transactions. These are transaction times. So when you tap on this to expand it, you can see it's been confirmed here. Everything about the transaction is here, confirmed, the status. So if it's pending, you're going to see the status to be pending here. So if someone is sending you BTC and it's not up yet and the person is claiming they've sent it, you can check on here to see. So once you see pending, it means it's going to process. It's going to take some time for you to get your alert. So that's it. On now you can check the transaction history of every Bitcoin address. Just like I said, if you are new here, try to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you have any question, let me know in this video's comment section. That's it. Peace.